SWAT team called in a man arrested during the dinner hour in Baldwinsville.
No one was hurt, and that man is facing several charges now. Baldwinsville Police say neighbors reported hearing a gun go off inside a home in the 300 block of Salina Street at the Four Corners area of routes 370 and 31 in the village. Neighbors say he came out of his house and threw fireworks at their homes. When he refused to come to the door, Baldwinsville Police got a warrant and help from the SWAT team and state police to make entry to the house. 40-year-old William Lacey surrendered without incident. He's charged now with menacing and harassment. The investigation continues.